Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Ninja 300 SE. This lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 8,200 miles on the odometer. Beautiful metallic green and black special edition paint scheme. Bike is in fantastic condition. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, twin cylinder, lightweight. Probably gets about 60 plus miles per gallon. Great for commuting. Come on by, make your 300 Ninja Sport dreams come true at $44.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.